energy flow in ecosystem. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the food chain, food web, and energy pyramid. So, first, what is mean by ecosystem? So, ecosystem is that the surrounding which consists biotic and abiotic factors. So, there are different ecosystem in different surrounding. Which are the different types of ecosystem? So, for example, marine ecosystem, land ecosystem, grass ecosystem, and many others, desert ecosystem like that. So here ecosystem consists a different climatic condition. So with that respect to climatic condition, animals are also different and their condition around them is also different. Basically they are interact with each other, that means biotic and abiotic factors interact with each other to form a different type of ecosystem. So there are natural ecosystem known as the terrestrial ecosystem, consist of forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, desert ecosystem, aquatic, marine, freshwater ecosystem, river ecosystem, spring, lake, pond. So these are the biotic and abiotic factors which are present in different ecosystem. Especially they are interact with each other. So plants, animal, bacteria, fungi, these are the biotic factors, while water, soil, light, minerals, air, these are the abiotic factors. So the interaction between them continuously going on. The best example of that is the photosynthesis reaction. With the help of abiotic factors just like sun, carbon dioxide, water, minerals, plants prepare their own food with the help of chlorophyll pigment. That means this is a definite interaction between the biotic and abiotic factors. So depending on other biotic factors, these producers which produce their own food, that is green plant, we already know that they are known as the producers. In 8th standard you already study about the consumers. Consumers means those who are eat only the herbivorous or carnivorous animal. Saprophytes are known as the organism which are depend upon the dead organic matter, and decomposers are decompose the dead organic body. So these terms you already know. So what the prepare by food by the producers, this stored food is goes on the herbivorous, and then from herbivorous it is goes on the carnivorous, and then apex level consumers and so on. So this definite flow in ecosystem is known as the energy flow, and these all are the interaction of biotic and abiotic factors, and this flow is known as the energy flow. So the primary consumers, they are only the herbivorous, that means they are directly depend on the autotrophs, that is producers. For example, a grasshopper, squirrel, etc. And the secondary consumers are also known as the carnivorous. These consumers use herbivores as their food. For example, frog, owl, fox. Apex or top level consumers are those the consumers they use herbivorous and carnivorous as their food. No other animal feed on that top consumers. So they are known as the apex level consumers. So one more, these are all are the herbivorous animal, and these all are the carnivorous animal, and these are the apex. So the apex or top consumers cannot be eaten by anybody. The next term is omnivorous. So bears, human being fed on herbivorous and carnivorous. So they use their food veg and non-veg too. So they are known as the omnivorous. And sun is the big source of energy. With the help of sun, plants can prepare their own food. So as we consider that the interaction go on continuously between the producers, consumers and saprophyte, there is a definite sequence in the interaction which is called as the food chain. So consist of 4 or 5 more links, and ecosystem consist of food chain that interconnected at the various level. And this interconnection, so in this picture we can see that the one animal can be eaten by other many animals. So all organisms may be prey for many other organisms. For example, insect feed upon leaves of various plants, but the same insect can be prey for different animals, like for frog, lizard, birds. So this is consist a number of link between them, and this it can be form a web like structure. So this web like structure is known as the food web. So this should be a balanced equilibrium. Each level of food chain is called as the trophic level. A trophic level is the step by which organism obtain food in a chain. The amount of matter energy gradually decreases from producers and lowest level to top consumers at the highest level. So here a different type of food chain and food web shown in this figure. So uh, that the interaction forms a trophic level. So all producers at the base of this pyramid, and they are known as the producers. Herbivorous are known as the first trophic level, carnivorous are second trophic level, and omnivorous have a third trophic level. So the initial quantity of energy goes on decreasing at every level of energy exchange. Similarly, the number of organisms also decreases from the lowest level to the highest level. And this pattern of energy exchange in ecosystem is called as the energy pyramid. So here the trophic level shown in a marine water ecosystem. There are the phytoplanktons, zooplanktons, fishes, and human being. First trophic level energy, that is phytoplankton, consists 10,000 kilocalorie, and phytoplanktons are eaten by zooplanktons. They gain 100,000 kilocalories, and zooplanktons eaten by fishes, they consume 100 kilocalorie energy, and apex, that is human, consist only 10 kilocalorie energy. That means it is goes on decreasing from base to apex. And here must consider that sun is the most important source of energy in ecosystem. Green plants of ecosystem store some of solar energy in the form of food before the reaching the decomposers. This energy is passed on from one trophic level to next. So decomposers dissipate some amount of energy in form of heat. However, no part of energy ever return to the sun. Hence, such a passage of energy is referred to as the one-way transportation. So here we finish our lesson. Next we will continue to the next session. Thank you.